Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this lovely cow neck style. Okay, I'll show you the pattern drafting and the cutting and also how to join it perfectly. Okay, so remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. So thank you guys, please sit tight and enjoy. Okay, so we'll start by drafting the basic bodies. Okay, my bust point, that's 10 inches, then the waistline, which is 17.5 inches. Now connect it with a straight line, just like so. Okay, now go ahead and make the neckline and the shoulder slope. Okay, then you create the armhole. Details about this, the basic bodies, how to create a perfect armhole, I have videos on each one of them on the channel, so please just take your time and go through it. Okay, so I'll create the armhole curve. Find the midpoint of these and go in by a quarter and 3/4 inch. Then I'll create the curve carefully, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm creating the chest line, the upper chest line, then also fixing the body measurement, as you can see. The body measurement and 2 inches for seam allowance. Okay, so this is what I have here. So fixing my body measurement and also create the upper chest line. Okay, so that is it for the front pattern. Then I'll go ahead and create the back pattern also. Mark the bust point, okay, and the waistline, which is 17.5. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and draft it first before we now do the cutting. Okay, so if you are used to my patterns, you know I always remove 1 inch from the waistline. That's for the back pattern, in order to have a smart fitting there, good fitting at the back. Then I'm bringing out the zipper allowance, which is 1 inch. So that's the zipper allowance. Then after zipper allowance, you now start the normal measurement. Okay, so create a neckline and the shoulder length, shoulder slope, and the armhole. Okay, so just make sure whatever I have up is the same thing I have there. Then create the shoulder slope and connect that to the straight line in order to create the armhole curve. Okay, so for the back pattern, we only create this simple curve here. We are not going in. Now go ahead and fixing the body measurement plus 2 inches seam allowance. And also on the waistline, we do the same thing. Then you connect it just like this. Okay, so for the back, you decide how wide or deep you want the neckline to be. So I'll make mine 4 inches width, and for the depth it depends, so I'll be using 3 inches for the neck depth for the back. So for the front, if you notice, I didn't create any neckline, so cut it out. So let's get to work. So for the front now, remember the upper chest line, so you open it up, you cut, but remember you won't cut it totally. You leave some inches behind, just few inches to the edge, then you open it up just like so. So you decide how wide you want it to be. So you can use your tape measure or you just use your intuition just to do it. So I think I just open it up by like 5 inches or 5.5. Okay, so it depends. All you need to do is just to cut it open and spread it. You know this splash and spread method, so that's all we're using here. Then you now trace it to the edge. Just watch the video carefully. Trace the other patterns out. Everything will fall in place when you're done. So just trace it out. So I make sure I notch the shoulder. Okay, as in where the neckline stops, I make sure I notch the place so that I will know where to join the shoulder. That's very important. You can see the same thing I'm doing here. Taking note of where my neckline stop or where the shoulder stop. Okay, you can see, so that you have where to join your shoulder to the back, which is very important. So now we go ahead and cut out the back piece too. So that is it. So this is the front. Went on to cut the lining with it also, and the same thing with the back. So now I'm going to attach the lining with the fabric and stop at the yes, stop there, the same point where I marked. Okay, so this is what we have. I've torn it and give it a good press. You can see. So I stopped where I notched, as you can see. So that means it's at that point I'll be able to join the shoulder to the back pattern. So this is it. You can see we already have what we are looking for. That is a cow neck styles. Okay, so you go ahead and join it to the back. You can see it from the wave is there already. So this is the back piece. So I've joined the two together, the front and the back piece. You can see the shoulder is neatly joined. Then the wave is there in the front, it's present already. So it's as simple as this, guys. There's nothing difficult about cow neck. It's simple. You can choose not to use lining and just do it simple as that. So I hope this video is helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if I have to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Feel free to share your opinion in the comment section. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.